Meet IVMS, your new tool for easy fleet management. IVMS helps you to keep track of how your vehicles are being used. It shows you important details like speeding, hard acceleration, sharp turns, sudden braking, and idling. With IVMS, you get to see easy-to-read reports on your driver's habits. This helps you spot issues and improve safety and efficiency. Our system helps you to manage your fleet, and you get all the information you need to make smart decisions quickly. And for extra security, our iButton device makes sure that only authorized drivers can start the vehicle. Upgrade your fleet management with IVMS. It's simple, efficient, and effective. IVMS, making fleet management simple.